child walks into your classroom and they're like this, and they're like this, and they're like that, what do we say they are? They're what? They have a lot of what? A lot or too much? Be honest. Listen, no one's going to judge you, okay? I mean, you'll judge yourself. Sometimes that child that has too much energy, when they're 16, 17 years old, they're running up and down a sports field, and there's 5 colleges trying to throw hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, how much college is going to be below this in 20 years. Do those kids have too much energy, or now all the other kids have too little energy? See, too much energy is a conversation that we create in our minds when it becomes inconvenient for us, and when we do not want to be responsible for how powerful we are. So we take it and we look at that child and we go, I can choose to be powerful and figure out how to work, and this is going to be an adventure, and I'm going to teach them wonderful things. Or we can go, oh, ADHD, there goes responsibility, done.